Let us go with the other 5 points covering world. So IP5 countries, trilateral cooperation based countries, then PCT. These are the stuff you will be seeing in world, where members like EPO, European Patent Office, JPO, Japan Patent Office, KIPO, Korean Intellectual Property Office, CNIPA, National Intellectual Property Administration of the People's Republic of China, and following that USPTO, that is United States Patent and Trademark Office. These are the 5 important members of IP5 countries. Then next comes the trilateral cooperation, where in 1983 they have set up with the EPO, JPO and USPTO, and from country to country, every country has its own office. Patent office is there for Israel, the patent office is there for German, and it differs from territorial to territory, as I told you in the part 1. So following this, we will go into the Patent Act, an overall view. Like a Patent Act, if you are interested in reading Patent Act, then read in this manner. So to understand the patents application, publication, anticipation, grants, right, read chapter 1 to 6, like 8 to 13. To know about the secrecy explained in the patent, go with the chapter 7. Chapter 14 explains about the patent office and patent agent is explained in chapter 21. To know about the controller, read chapter 15. To know about the compulsory license revocation, read chapter 16. To know about the government, central government rights, rules, making of rules, everything, read chapter 17. Read chapter 18 to know about the infringement explained in the Patent Act. To know about the appeals, read chapter 19. To know about the penalties, read chapter 20. To know about international arrangement, read 22. To know about the miscellaneous, going with the chapter 23, we have miscellaneous covering in the Patent Act. Then the schedule followed by the which has been amendment in like IP and D Act 1911. So these will be the overall understanding of the Patent Act. You can read one by one to have a clear idea of the Patent Act 1970. So following this, let us go into the rights and powers of chapter 8. Section 48 explains about the rights of the patentee, where the patentee has the exclusive right. Without his consent, nobody has, the third party has no right in making, using, selling, importing, offering for sale, anything else. The owner has the complete exclusive right given by the Patent Act. Following that, section 50 explains about the rights of the co-owners of patent. Co-owners, the word explains about the person, patentee is me, I have another friend, and 2 to 3 friends are there. Then there comes the co-owners. This will be explained in section 50 for concern for license, sole patentee, movable property, right of assignees. Everything will be explained in it. And following that, let us go into other rights explained in chapter 11, 62, 17, 101, 18, chapter 109 and 110, 21, chapter 127 and 23, chapter 157. These are the rights explained. You can just go through it. As I told you earlier, you can have the act and you can read it. And following that, let us go into the powers. The powers according to the Patent Act is like controller, central government, court, appellate board, and the patent agent will help you over it. So these are the person we need to know about, and what are the sections explained about them. So controller has the complete power explained in chapter 4, section 15 to 20 explained for refusal, order, date, anticipation, potential infringement, etc. And chapter 8 explains about the section 51, that is the direction to the co-owners. Chapter 15 explains about the section 78, correction of clerical errors. Chapter 16 explaining about section 86, 88, and chapter 21 explains about 131. Chapter 23 explains about 146. So call for information for patentee, granting of compulsory license and refusal, giving order, clerical errors, everything will be one of the powers given to the controller based on the act. Then moving on with the central government has the power explained in section 17, section 100, chapter 23, section 158 and 159. Following that, appellate board has the power explained in chapter 19, section 117H. Then following that, court has the power explained in chapter 18, section 105, 106, non-infringement and grant relief. High court explained in chapter 23, section 158. So moving on with the final stuff like movies which give you clear understanding. See Hero movie. It is a Tamil movie. The importance of the pattern will be explained, and there is no age criteria is important will be explained, and education is not a criteria for applying pattern. So if it is useful for industrial application which has a novelty and unique features design, and it is like granted in India, you can just go to the concerned location, or you can go online or offline. Offline you can go to the office, or if it is online you can read the frequently asked questions which is given in the website. For example, www.ipindia.gov.in. If it is like you need to know whether it is published earlier, go with this website https://ipindia.gov.in/publish search. And following that, to know about the biological based stuff like based on the Budapest Treaty, http://imtech.res.in. So you can just go with these types of websites to have other stuff. And the international based awareness is given on April 26 by the United Nations, and it is celebrated as World Intellectual Property Federation of Robotics. Go with this to know about how the technology is developing and how design patterns is playing a major role. And now I would like to tell you that many will have something like I use branded product. It is not a branded product. It is like it has a patent product. It has an intellectual property law. So they fix price. So we are not able to interfere in those prices what the owner gives. For example, KFC, McD, Pizza, everything has its own right. It has a branch all over. Just an example. If you're in during school days, you would have seen refrigerator. Not in now you will have in these stuff. It has its a patent. It has a patent for its design and everything. Starting from refrigerator, air conditioner, typewriting machine, stopwatch, toilet, even toilet roll. The toilet roll and toilet basin, like balancing weighting scale, shipping anchor, drill, everything. Aircraft, jet aircraft, tractor, mobile internet access, like hamburger, method of making frozen pizza, design for a bottle, razor, electrical lamp, going with the plant patent. USPTO has 28,191, and it has granted a patent for 24,021. It already has a plant patent. So know the serious about it. To tell you something, like you would have came across this issue, that is 4 farmers in Gujarat has used patent Lay's potatoes, and they have been sued for ₹1 crore by PepsiCo. Asimo, made by the Honda Motor Co Limited, and to 2014 Peppa. This is the middle for me, I consider. And even we have a design for traffic signal. We do have design for each and everything, like guitar. We do have design for wine glass, wine bottle, Coca-Cola bottle, and iron, guitar, cotton gin, wood banjo. Everything has its own design pattern. To move on with the latest pattern, what we are going with nowadays, let me tell you, starting from Sophia. Sophia is the first citizen robo, and she has her own YouTube channel. This may be shocking, but it's true. And she has its photography camera, log, everything has its own. Cycle from car, Kawasaki bikes, we have bionic eye, drones. We have a patent for iPhone, net, self-driving cars, Bluetooth, graphene, GPS. Everything has its own design pattern. To the now latest technology, Sophia, Manav India based. He was the first 3D printed humanoid robot. He has made it This is the technology coming up. Maybe future we would be having them as our own friend. In future, everybody will have a robo in their home itself. Pepper, TEDx, Incredible Bionic Man, Spot Mini, Project Romeo, Valkyrie, Robonaut, where NASA R5 is using this robo for sending it to Mars-based project. Then Sawyer, Baxter, Method 2, Atlas, Boston Dynamic, Asimo, Subsea Snake. Illuma is the world's first subsea snake. Then following that, Bionic Gangaru, Boston engineering based shark whales, and Smart Bird, Robird, Charlie Robotic Ants, Pluro Robo, Scorpion Hexapod Robot, Robo Crabster CR200, Aqua Jelly, Pitoy Nibble, Festo based Bionic Opta, Luca, Robo B X-Wing, Air Penguin. These are the latest technology going on to the surprise. You can just Google and just see how the technology is going, how fast it has been, even in hotels, hospitals, signals. Everywhere Robo has occupied its unique place. To your shocking and to your awareness, please go through the thing. And they have millions and millions of technology being patented. So go through it. Starting from Sony, Panasonic, everything, PlayStation, whatever you are playing, like Korea, Japan, China, US are playing the major role in doing. We are not living with a single Indian citizenship. We have lot of products in and around our home, place, school, college, everywhere. We are using all types of Samsung, we use Whirlpools, we use LG, we use Sony, we use Panasonic, we use lot of products like Honda, Japan based technology, we use Korean technology in our home itself. So concentrate on it and make sure you too get a patent for your own technology or invention, what you are going with. Get a patent. The consent, by paying consent fees, get a patent. This will be helpful for you. And please give awareness to other friends. And WIPO is the World Intellectual Property Day is being selected on every 26 April to give awareness, where United Nations has made this day as International Day. So get to know about this, and thank you very much, and give awareness to other friends as well.